What's up YouTube, this is Zafar from my YouTube channel. Hope everyone having a great day and night. And today we're going to install a Strut Bar on my car, Toyota Corolla, as always 2016. And this Strut Bar that I got is by, what do you call, it's Megan Racing Strut Bars. Let me open it up for you. Alright guys, the first reason that I'm installing this strut bar is that they're supposed to equalize the stress on two wheels, on my front wheels. So they're supposed to equalize, so if you go through the road, bumpy roads and all that, they're supposed to get same equal amount of force on both wheels, rather than one gets more and then one gets less. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is for the look, man. Look at this. This should look beautiful. Alright, let's install this and see how it's gonna turn out. And then alright, we need to loosen up this plastic thing, so we need to take this plastic cap out, and then we have to access to this 3 main bolts over there. And then you don't have to do anything with your cars, so you don't have to lift it or anything like that, otherwise your suspension will fall off. So just leave it as is and then start work on it, on those 3 bolts, and start taking on. So let's go. Able to put it on the both sides. The reason that it was taking a long time, I don't know if you can see that or not, that metal piece. Oh, see, that freaking metal piece didn't let me push this metal thing inside, so I had to bend it a little bit with a plier, but I was able to get it. So let me put the bolts. Should be good to go. All right. the work, and this is how it looked like. There you go. Megan racing struts, they're all intact. So give me a couple days, I'm gonna test drive it, see the difference and all that. I'll definitely comment below and all that, and if you have more questions, shoot me any questions you got. And then yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Hope it was a helpful video and you guys learned something from it. And if so, please share, subscribe, like, and then whatever you guys wanted to do. Peace out and see you to the next videos.